The concept of compact, tech-integrated living spaces has captured global attention, merging sustainability with modern innovation. While rumors of ultra-affordable modular homes tied to prominent tech companies have sparked excitement, the reality of these dwellings offers a fascinating glimpse into the future of housing. Imagine a self-sufficient living unit designed with precision engineering, constructed from robust materials like reinforced steel and impact-resistant composites, engineered to withstand extreme weather while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. These homes prioritize efficiency, often featuring foldable or modular designs that simplify transportation and assembly. A typical layout might cleverly integrate a kitchenette, sleeping loft, bathroom, and multipurpose living area within a footprint smaller than many studio apartments, proving that limited space doesn't equate to compromised comfort. At the core of these designs lies renewable energy integration. Solar panels paired with high-capacity battery systems aim to eliminate reliance on traditional power grids, while advanced insulation and energy-efficient appliances minimize waste. Some prototypes even incorporate rainwater harvesting and greywater recycling, pushing the boundaries of off-grid capability. Connectivity isn't an afterthought. Satellite-based internet solutions ensure high-speed access in remote locations, appealing to those seeking both solitude and modern convenience. Though pricing remains speculative, estimates suggest entry-level models could start near $15,000 for basic configurations, with premium upgrades like expanded solar arrays or smart home systems increasing costs incrementally. The rise of these homes aligns with broader societal shifts. Soaring housing prices and environmental awareness have fueled interest in downsizing, prompting many to reconsider what home truly requires. Tiny living encourages intentionality, curating possessions to essentials, while slashing utility bills and maintenance demands. For nomadic lifestyles, the portability of these units is revolutionary, enabling owners to relocate without sacrificing their investment. Yet challenges persist. Zoning regulations often lag behind innovation, restricting where these homes can be placed, while cultural perceptions of small spaces as temporary or insufficient hinder mainstream adoption. Industrialized construction methods are key to scaling this movement. Prefabrication in controlled factory environments reduces build times and costs, ensuring consistent quality while minimizing material waste. Startups in this sector report overwhelming demand, with waitlists stretching into the tens of thousands, signaling a paradigm shift in housing preferences. Early adopters praise creative spatial solutions, transformative furniture, vertical storage, and outdoor living extensions that maximize functionality without clutter. The financial implications are equally compelling. Traditional homeownership often demands decades of mortgage payments, whereas tiny homes could offer debt-free living for a fraction of the cost, particularly when paired with government incentives for renewable energy adoption. Environmental benefits extend beyond energy savings. Smaller footprints mean reduced land disruption, while sustainable materials like recycled steel and low-VOC finishes lower ecological impact. Some designs even incorporate green roofs or modular gardens, blending housing with urban agriculture. Critics argue that compact living suits only specific demographics, but evolving designs, including multi-unit configurations and expandable layouts, hint at broader applicability. Families, retirees, and remote workers alike are exploring how these spaces can adapt to diverse needs. The road ahead involves overcoming logistical and perceptual barriers. Financing tiny homes remains tricky, as many lenders hesitate to fund non-traditional properties. Advocacy groups are pushing for regulatory reforms, citing the urgent need for affordable housing solutions amid global shortages. Meanwhile, communities experimenting with tiny home villages demonstrate their potential to address homelessness or provide transitional housing, showcasing scalability beyond individual use. Technological advancements continue to refine these dwellings. Advances in 3D printing promise faster, cheaper construction, while AI-driven energy management systems optimize power use in real time. The integration of electric vehicle charging stations and bidirectional power flow, allowing homes to feed excess energy back to the grid, positions these units as hubs in a decentralized energy network. Ultimately, these homes represent more than a housing trend, they embody a cultural shift toward mindful consumption and resilience. As climate crises escalate and urbanization strains resources, reimagining living spaces becomes imperative. While the dream of a universally accessible, tech-driven tiny home isn't fully realized, progress suggests it's within reach. The convergence of sustainable materials, smart technology, and evolving consumer values could redefine homeownership for future generations, proving that innovation thrives not in excess, but in thoughtful simplicity. For those intrigued, the journey starts with research, exploring local regulations, connecting with builders, and assessing personal needs. Whether as a primary residence, vacation retreat, or auxiliary dwelling, these homes challenge conventions, offering a tangible step toward a lighter ecological footprint. The future of housing may well be compact, adaptable, and deeply intertwined with the technologies shaping our world, a testament to human ingenuity in the face of global challenges.